Hello student, this is class 9th science chapter 4 and part 9. In this video we will discuss valency. Valency is defined as combining capacity of an atom. The second definition is valency. The valency of an element is calculated by the number of valence electron present in the outermost shell of its atom. I mean, the combining capacity of an element is known as its valency. The topic is how to calculate valency. The first formula of valency is valence electron is equal to electron in outermost shell or last shell. If valence electron is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then valence electron is equal to valency. If valence electrons is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, then 8 minus valence electron is equal to valency. First hydrogen. First atomic number is hydrogen. So the valency of hydrogen is 1 because the formula is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the valency is equal to valence electron. Second is helium. In helium the outermost electron is equal to 2. So valency is 0 because the first shell has maximum 2 electrons. So the valency is 0. In lithium, in this case the outermost electron is 1, so the valency is 1. Second is next fourth atomic number is beryllium. In this the outermost electron is 2, so valency of beryllium is 2. Then boron, the outermost electron in boron is 3, so the valency is 3. Then carbon, the outermost electron in C6 is 4, so the valency is 4. Then nitrogen, in this case the valence electron is 5, so the valency is 3 because 8 minus valence electron, so the valency is 3. In case of oxygen, valence electron is 6, so 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, so the valency is 2. In fluorine, the valence electron is 7, then 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, so the valency of fluorine is 1. Then in case of neon is a noble gas, then 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 valency. Then sodium, the outermost electron is 1, so the valency is 1. Then magnesium is 2. Next aluminium 3, silicon 4. Next phosphorus, the outermost shell of phosphorus has 5 electron, so 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 3 valency of phosphorus. Then sulfur has 6 valence electron, then 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next chlorine has 7 valence electrons, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, so the valency of chlorine is equal to 1. Then argon, 8 valence electron, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then potassium, in potassium 1 is the outermost electron, so the valency is 1. In calcium, the outermost electron is 2, so the valency is 2. So these two formulas are very important for this. For hydrogen and helium, the valency formula is valency is equal to 2 minus valence electron. Valence electrons. Valence electron is also called outermost shell electron. Outermost shell electron. This formula is applicable for this formula is applicable for n is equal to 1. When so this formula is applicable for first cell only. For example, in case of hydrogen and helium, valency of hydrogen is equal to valency of hydrogen H1 is equal to 2 minus 1, because hydrogen has one electron in valence shell, so valency is equal to 1. Valency of helium is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, because helium has 2 electron in valence shell. We know that maximum number of electron in first cell is equal to 2. So this formula is applicable in case of n is equal to 1, I mean for first cell. From lithium to calcium, valency is equal to, if valence electron is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then the outermost cells electrons are the valency. If valence electron is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, then valency is equal to 8 minus valence electron. For chlorine 17, 2, 8, 7, we know that first cell contain maximum 2 electron. In second cell it contain maximum 8 electrons. So the electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. So the valency, because it has 7 valence electron, so the second formula is applicable, I mean valency is equal to 8 minus valence electron. V is equal to valence and E negative means electron. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So the valency of Cl17 is equal to 1. Second is, suppose in case of sodium 281, the valence electron in sodium is 1. So first formula is applicable. Valency is equal to if valence electron, I mean outermost shell electron is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then valence electron is equal to valency. So the valency of sodium is 1. So valency is 1. In case of aluminium 283. So second formula also applicable. So first formula is also applicable in aluminium 13. So the valency is 3. In case of silicon 14, first and second formula, both formulas are applicable. For first formula 284, valence electron is 4, so the valence is 4. Second formula 8 minus valence electron is equal to 4, so valence is 4. So both formulas are applicable in case of 4 outermost electron.